This short video will show the proper steps to clean the Fatal Vision Opioid Drowsy and Distracted Goggles. Following this technique will help ensure a healthy, safe, and memorable Fatal Vision demonstration. To remove fingerprints on either side of the goggle lens, use the Fatal Vision microfiber bag to buff the lens gently. Avoid applying pressure or pinching the goggle lens when cleaning, as it could damage the electronics and void the product warranty. If there is dirt or dust on the goggle lens, use a soft makeup brush and gently sweep the debris from the goggle. Use a germicidal disposable wipe inside and outside the goggle frame and strap after each participant wears the goggle. Be sure to allow the frame to air dry before the next participant's turn at the activity. Having multiple clean goggles in use at presentations will remove any cleaning delays and allow you to focus on your audience. After your program, remove the strap from the goggle frame and hand wash in water. When not in use, store your Fatal Vision goggles in their included microfiber bag. InnoCorp offers additional cleaning and sanitizing products, including goggle masks, face masks, and germicidal wipes. For more information on InnoCorp, visit our website at fatalvision.com or call us at 800-272-5023.